Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to be creating our art inspired by Alma Thomas. And what you're going to want to do is start by either drawing or tracing a heart in the center of your paper. It doesn't really matter what size. You could start really small, you could start medium, probably not too big though. I'm going to start with this one. And I'm just going to trace this in the middle. And I'm going to color this in with a marker, or you could color it in, let's see, I don't want to use pink. You can color it in with anything you want. You could use a crayon, you could use a colored pencil, I'm going to use a marker. But you're going to color in that center heart with something, and then we're going to use her method to go around it. So we're going to expand on this with either torn paper or cut paper. So you can use your scissors if you want, or you can just use your fingers and tear the paper, whichever is quickest and easiest for you. Okay, so once I have that really nice little heart on there, I think I'm going to go around mine with red. I think it might look kind of cool to just have a nice red outline. Oh yeah, I like that. Because I can see my pencil and I don't really like that. Okay, so I got my heart. Now I'm going to select some colors. I have strips of paper that you can use, or I have some painted paper. I think this painted paper is going to be fun. I'm going to try a piece of that. But I'm also going to think what would look good next to the red. And so I don't think pink next to the red looks that good, but I'm going to do that. I'm going to use that pink. So either cutting or tearing. You could cut triangles if you want, or you could cut rectangles. You could cut squares. Right now I've got rectangles, but I don't think these are going to bend very good when I go around that corner, so I'm going to make them a little bit smaller for the first couple of times you go around. You need it to be kind of smaller pieces to make it actually bend the way you want it to bend. So I'm going to make these into more of squares like that. And then I'm just going to place them around here and glue them down. And that will be my first layer, right? So what you want to do is you want to do enough layers that you run right into the outside of your paper. Okay, so just keep going. At some point, the tip of my heart is closer to the edge of the paper. See, this is only this far away and this is this far away. So I'm going to run out of space here before I run out of space here. So I'll probably keep going like this until I run into this side, and maybe even just like this till I run into the corner. So try to stick with the same color for each layer. Or if you're doing an A-B pattern, like if I wanted to mix this up, maybe I don't want to just do blue here. I could do, I'll cut this in half so I don't have to do all of them that way. I could do blue, green, blue, green, blue, green, blue, green, right? I could do a pattern if I wanted to going around. Let's see what that looks like. So I could do it like this where I alternate every time with a different color. I don't know if I like that as well, but you can try whatever you want. It's your heart, inspired by her, so do whatever you think looks good. Maybe I would do some A-B patterns and some solid ones, because I think A-B could get really busy. I don't think I'd like it all A-B patterns, but yeah, that's kind of pretty. Alright, I'll go ahead and finish this, and you have fun with yours. Can't wait to see what you guys come up with.